So much of business now revolves around Dubai, and here at the Dubai Air Show we've found one business, part of the DAE group, but in Jordan, who's doing very, very well. I'm with Fraser Currie, the CEO of Joramco. So DAE, Dubai business doing very well, Joramco doing very well as well.
Yes, we are, Alan. Firstly, lovely to see you. Thank you for coming. It's great to be at the Dubai Air Show. As you mentioned, a bit of co-branding this year with our parent company, Dubai Aerospace Enterprise. Obviously, Dubai Aerospace doing fantastically. Dubai leading the way in the recovery. Recent articles from Sir Tim Clark, very buoyant about the recovery with Emirates. We as an MRO at Joramco, we're seeing that recovery as well, absolutely. We had a very strong COVID. We're having an even stronger 2021. I realise that some people didn't, but our capabilities are what actually kept us strong through that whole period. And we're driving out faster from COVID than our peer groups, and that's come from independent advisors.
Now, Fraser, what we have seen is COVID has changed a lot of things, freighters particularly, and you've just got into passenger to freighter, haven't you?
Yeah, look, it's the flavour of the period, and it is going to be for the next 2 or 3 years. We're hoping to move into a larger P2F market. We've started with our partnership with UUDS, looking at the 737-800s, and that's going to be something that will drive our expansion in terms of our hangar capacity increase as well, which is something I've talked about for a long time, but COVID slightly put the handbrake on that. But now as we accelerate out of the COVID period, certainly we'll be looking to expand hangars, and P2F will be one of those.
Because that is a challenge, isn't it? The hangars are full, recovery's coming, you're going to have more airlines wanting help. Have you got the space to do it? And when do the new hangars come?
We have space. I mean, right now we are at full capacity. Full capacity to us is 17 lines of wide and narrow body heavy maintenance. We can't put the hangars up quick enough, to be honest. So we've secured land deals at various locations, and in the next 2 or 3 weeks we will hopefully make an announcement as to where we have chosen to build those hangars, and that could be in multiple countries.
Fraser, thank you very much.
Thank you, Alan.